everyone, welcome to Ashramik Vidyalaya. Myself Firdosi. Students, in this video we will start our new chapter number 16. Verbs, transitive and intransitive. Read these sentences and fill in the blanks. One has been done for you. Look at here. Here we see the many previous works. So let's start to solve. Mother made tea for the guest. Here we see the two underlined words tea and the guest. So students, these two are the object. Second, I bought blank for blank. So here we write I bought gifts for children. Bought is a verb, gifts and children is the object. Third, grandpa tells blank a blank every night. So grandpa tell us a blank every night. What we write here? Story. Okay. The Prime Minister hosted the blank. Here we write flag. Rukhsana gave blank to blank. Rukhsana gave the books to the teacher. Okay. Now the clown performed funny blank for blank. So students, here we write tricks. The clown performed funny tricks for children. Okay. Now know more about transitive and intransitive. Read these sentences. Rubani sang a song. Sang. Ruhani played with the puppy. I wrote a poem. The highlighted verbs are transitive. How can transitive? Look at the example. Rubani sang a song. If I say Rubani sang, so what Rubani sang? A song. Ruhani played. What Ruhani played? Ruhani played with the puppy. So puppy is the object, song is the object. I wrote a poem. I wrote, but what I wrote? So I wrote a poem. So poem is the object. So students, the action expressed by them pass over from the subject, Rubani and Ruhani is a subject, to the object. Object is song, puppy and poem. So this sentence will not make complete sense without the object. Without the object, the sentence will not complete in a proper sense. So that sentence called the transitive sentence. Okay, means object is a necessary in the sentence. Is that clear? A verb which requires an object to complete its sense is called transitive verb. Now read these sentences. Father gifted Akshat a bat. Simi gave her pet dog Bruzo a bone. I bought a bag for Gurpreet. In these sentences, the highlighted transitive verbs take two objects, direct and indirect, after them. The things are direct object, whereas the person are indirect object. The doors are father, Simi and I. The direct objects are bed, bone and a bag. And indirect objects are Akshat, Bruzo and Gurpreet. Okay, the things is called a direct object and the person is called an indirect object. Now read these sentences. Rubani sang sweetly. Ruhani played carefully. I arrived late. The sun shone brightly. The baby slept soundly. The highlighted verbs are intransitive. The action expressed by them stop with the subject. The verbs themselves make complete self. A verb which does not require an object to complete its sense is called an intransitive verb. Rubani sang sweetly. Here we not see the object. Here is the only subject and the action expressed by them to stop with the subject. I arrived late. Okay. The sun shone brightly. The sun is a subject, but here not we see any object. So that is types of sentence called the intransitive verb. Now time for the exercise. Identify the verb in these sentences and state whether they are transitive or intransitive. So students, first of all we finding the transitive or intransitive and also identify the verbs. So let's start. Rehan saw Anita his stamp book. Rehan saw Anita his stamp book. So students, here is the so is a verb. So is a verb and it is a type of transitive because here we see the book. Book is a object. Okay. So Rehan saw Anita his stamp book. So underline the so verb and here we write the verb transitive. Okay. Next, the policeman left in a hurry. Here is a verb is a left, right? But we not see any object in this sentence, right? So this is the intransitive verb. This is the intransitive. So we write intransitive. Okay. Next, the telephone rang. Rang is a verb. Rang is a verb and here we only see the subject, but here is a not specify any object, so this is the intransitive. The sentence is intransitive. The gymnast lifted the dumbbell bell. Here is a lifted is a verb, so we underline lifted and here also we see the dumbbell and this is the object. Okay, so the gymnast lifted the dumbbell. So this type of transitive. Next, Mayank arrived early this morning. Here we see the verb arrived and here is a not talking about any object. So this is the intransitive. So we write here intransitive. Okay, in the exam you will write, underline the so and transitive also write in the exam. Okay. The principal hoisted the flag. Students, in this sentence hoisted is a verb, so underline hoisted. Identified, we identified the hoisted, so underline, and the flag is the object. Okay, so when specify the object, that sentence is time of transitive. Okay, so we write here transitive. Next, I sent the letter thrice. So here is a sent. Sent is a verb and it is a type of transitive. So we write here transitive. Number 8. The children ate early. So here is at. At is a verb and here is early, not any talking about the object. So that is the intransitive. Type of intransitive. Next, the medicine cured the diseases. Okay, so here is a cured is a verb and the type is transitive. Next, the girl climbed on the chair. Climb is a verb. Okay, and here is the chair is the object, so we write transitive. Is that clear? So here our first exercise was completed. Now we are going on our next practice. A. State whether the highlighted verb are transitive or intransitive. If the verb is transitive, underline the object or objects. Okay. So students, this exercise we complete in our notebook like this. Make the table like this in your notebook. Also write the date and the instruction. Then after we complete transitive, intransitive and objects. So let's start. First sentence is the ship sank. The ship sank. In this sentence we see the verb sank. Okay, but here is not specify about the any object, so this is the kind of intransitive sentence. So we write here in a intransitive sank, and here is no any object, so we left that space. Next is I met a village girl. Met, underline the object. I met a village girl. So village girl is a object. Village girl is a object. Okay, and met. So transitive is met and object is village girl. Next is the sun sets around 6 p.m. these days. Okay, so in this sentence we see the object. We not see the any object, so it is a intransitive sentence. Next, Monique received a prize from the principal. Okay, here we see received a prize from the principal. So prize and principal are the objects. So this is the transitive sentence. So we write received in a transitive column, and here is a two objects, prize and principal. So we write prize and principal. Okay. Next, the baby laughs. Okay, here is a no any object, so this is the intransitive. So we write here laughs. Next, number 7. The girls were singing. Here also not any object, so it is a intransitive. So we write here singing. Next, the passenger waited at the station. Okay, here we see the object station, so we underline station, and waited is a transitive. Next, number 8. The girl is holding a skipping rope. Okay, students, this is the holding is a transitive, and rope is skipping rope is a verb, object. So we write here holding, and in a object side we write skipping rope. Number 9. The bird sang melodiously. So here is a sang melodiously but not any object, so we write here sang. And in the last, Manu kicked the ball. Students, here we see the object, the ball. So we underline the ball, and transitive is kicked. Okay, is that clear? And also we write the ball. The ball. Okay, so here our 2 exercise was finished. In the next video we will continue in this chapter. So bye bye, take care, thank you.